Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 19th of December, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, remember, we have to have 20 minutes of MobyMax. Morning classes, we need to finish up the shopping spree. Hopefully we did that in Warrior time. Afternoon classes, we also were working on being approved for a calculator with our shopping spree. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, we had our Mesopotamia test today. Class average was in the B range, so that was good. Hopefully you did well on that. In language arts, there is no homework. And in literature, you need half of your AR points are due on January 13th. That's 1 week after we return from break. Please make sure that you have 3 books from the library to read over break. It's very important that you come back prepared on January 6th to go and to read. Tomorrow we'll be having an activity day, PBIS, throughout the building. We will be starting off with a guest speaker, a former Ohio State player and NFL player, Jimmy Bell. And then we've got different activities throughout the morning. Then we'll be watching a movie during Warrior time. Also, remember, tomorrow is an early dismissal day, so we will be out at 1:52. In the afternoon, you can bring, for yourself a snack and a drink, or make sure that that drink is for yourself. The snack you are sharing with people in your Warrior time. If you don't bring it, you don't have the opportunity for it. All right, and that is going to be it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. If not, we will see you tomorrow.